Hello students, welcome to Northeast Skill Center's online classroom. I am your course trainer Tulika Kalita from Hospitality Food and Beverage Service, and our session for today is from our core module Integrated Food and Beverage Operations, and our topic of discussion will be Take Room Service Orders. Dear students, this is a continuation from our previous class. Before we proceed, let us go through the learning objectives of the lesson. So by the end of today's session, students, all of you should be able to explain the need of room service department in a hotel and outline the advantages and disadvantages of the room service department. So why do we need the room service department? With the help of room service department, dear students, the guest can enjoy meals in the privacy of one's own room. Since the room service department is open for 24 hours, so the orders can be placed at odd hours also. Time is precious for everyone, as we all know. So for the guest, the room service also saves their time as food is delivered to the room. As we all know that everything has its advantages and disadvantages, so let us learn about the advantages and disadvantages of room service. So these are the advantages of room service. Celebrities can maintain their privacy. As guests don't have to go out, so they can have their meal in comfortable clothes. It is a habit for most of the people to have morning tea or coffee before going out. In such case, room service is the option. Some guests prefer to have private meetings in their rooms and also prefer to have meals in privacy. Room service gives them the benefit. Let's learn the disadvantages of room service. In room service department, food and beverage is more expensive because of convenience of eating in the room. Guests in a hurry refuse to accept delays which can result in complaint. The challenge for the hotel is to serve hot food. As the food is sometimes transported from meat kitchen, food can get cold. Room service menus are limited so that items can be cooked at all times by cooks on different shifts with common skills. So here we have come to the end of this session. Let us now summarize what we have learned today. We have learned what is the need of room service department in a hotel and what are the advantages and disadvantages of room service department. Dear students, I hope all of you had a happy learning. In case of any doubts or queries, please feel free to contact me. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.